Ka Meghalaya kadang Iakhun tyngeh menta khanang ba ki Jingkieng Jri ki badan haka jilla kinyo banrung haka thup jong ka UNESCO World Heritage Site ka badai ka jingithuh ka balanyo ba ka long ka bakhampala haka perthai borok ko wei. Iakhun ni le thu du mentri rang ba ka jilla konrat ki sang mahadin bola wan jingo ya ki Jingkieng Jri bashna khampala haka shnong siet ka baha ba shela block haka tayo bala dam. Kat kum ka jingithuh du mentri rang ba malakiri kala ban pha tang ka wei ka kerteng ha ka shisnem sha ka UNESCO na ka benta banyo ya ka jingithuh kerpang la ka long ha ka liang ki jingtei u menbarim ki jaka sa nam bat ki wei ki ba khampala kumbalong ki Jingkieng Jri u mentri rang ba le thu ba kila dep ban tho ru show mentri rang ba du kari bat ru show u mentri ka tanat arts and culture ka sarkar padeng bat ru sha ki tanat badai pen ban priang bat pha ya ki Jingkieng Jri ban yo rung ha ka thop jong ka UNESCO World Heritage Site haba jubab halor ki jingkili mentri rang ba le thu ru ba hado menta pat ju yo sngo de yo jingtip ba kindan ki Jingkieng Jri haki wei pat kiri ka perthai kini ki Jingkieng Jri kilong kerpang ya kani ka tha na ba ngam pat ju yo sngo ba kindan haki wei pat ki benta jang ka perthai kumba ki dan haka jilla ulong dang haka step si se join mentri rang ba ka jilla ringkat ka kenhun mentri kila hiarlang krui shaka shnong siet ka shnong ka badan ya ki Jingkieng Jri ka bala than bat pen wandur khampala kum ka Jingkieng sun.
From the country, there's only one proposal that is accepted or is sent every year. So it's not doesn't happen for 5-6 locations. So only one location for the entire country. So therefore, it's very competitive. But we have written to the Honorable Prime Minister. We've written to the Art and Culture Minister and the concerned departments to ensure that we push the Living Root Bridge as a UNESCO Heritage Site. So the efforts are on, but really it's not something that is completely in our hands. But we are really hopeful it will come through, and if it does, it will be a great thing for all of us.
Do we have any competitor elsewhere in the world? The similar structures?
As far as I know, I'm not very sure, but as far as my knowledge goes, I don't think there's any other competitor as such or any kind of place where this kind of living root bridge exists. So I think yes, this is very unique to this region and to our state.